Hey everybody! Today I have an invitation for you to join me in a collaboration. If you want to join me in creating something fun, stick around. I've got all the details coming right up. Hey there everybody, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're gonna find all kinds of tutorials right here every week. If that sounds like something you wanna see, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Today I am so excited to bring you a challenge invitation. I have partnered with my friend over at MOMDAS Handmade, and we have an invitation for you. So what we want you to do is join us in February's Useful DIY Challenge. This is a really fun challenge that MOMDAS Handmade hosts every month. And the idea is that not only are we gonna create and craft something, but we're gonna make something useful. Let's put those crafts and all that handiwork to good use. So this month's challenge is going to happen on February 18th. So you have just a couple of weeks to put your video together. If you want to participate, you're going to go ahead and make a useful DIY using a mason jar. Grab a jar you have, something like this, maybe a little cute one like this. Grab something that you have and create a useful DIY. Make a video, show us how you did it, and then on February 18th, upload your video. I'm going to have the playlist linked down in the description of my video on the 18th, so you can add yours to that playlist. A couple other rules: please mention my channel, Creative Ramblings, and MOMDAS Handmade in your video. And then, so we can all find each other, we want you to use the hashtag USEFULDYMASONJARCRAFTS. It's right up here. I really hope you will join us in this month's Useful DIY Challenge. I am looking forward to making a mason jar craft. So I will see you back here on February 18th with your video. Looking forward to seeing it. Bye everybody.